Wait, don't skip this. What I'm about to show you in the next 60 seconds is going to make you regret every single day you spent not doing this. There is a YouTube niche blowing up right now, and the people finding it first, they're hitting 300,000 views before they even have subscribers. I'm not making that up. Look at this. DG Slow English uploaded a video 3 days ago, 300k views, brand new channel, Talk Easy English, only 24 videos ever uploaded. Every video crosses 100,000 views. Daily Say English, 4 videos, 4, and their channel is already monetized. You know what all of these channels have in common? They're all making the exact same type of video, with AI tools, and zero on-camera experience. And I figured out exactly how they do it. And I didn't just study these channels, I actually made one of these videos myself. One AI tool, Claude. That's it.
Sarah has a new job today. It is her first day. She is very nervous. She looks at the big building. She takes a slow breath. Okay, Sarah, you can do this. Just walk in, smile, be normal. Sarah walks into the office. The lobby is quiet. Nobody is there yet. Sarah looks around. The office is very quiet. Nobody is here. Hello? Is anyone here?
Video you just watched? I made that in under 8 minutes. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to hand you the exact process, every step, every tool, every trick, so you can go home today, make your first video, and wake up tomorrow to views you've never seen before. But here's the thing, there's one step I'm saving for the very end of this video. Most people skip it, and that one step, that's the reason these channels explode while everyone else stays stuck at 0. So don't move, don't skip, don't close this tab, because what's coming next changes everything. Let's go. Now here's where most people get stuck. They don't know what to make their video about. That's exactly why I built a complete prompt system for you. 5 ready-made prompts in a Google Doc that basically builds your entire video for you. Topic, script, everything. And here's how to get them. Drop a comment below right now. Just comment the word prompts and I will personally send you the link. Completely free. Got it? Good. Now let's use them. Open that Google Doc. You'll see 5 prompts numbered 1 to 5. Each one handles a different part of your video. Start with prompt number 1. This one generates your topic ideas. Copy it, go to Claude AI, paste it in, hit generate. Just like that, 10 viral topic ideas appear in seconds. Real, proven ideas that are already working in this niche. Pick the one that excites you most. We're going to take that idea and turn it into a full script in the next step. And trust me, the next part is where it gets really good. Alright, you've got your topic. Now let's turn it into a full script in literally 60 seconds. Go back to your Google Doc, open prompt number 2, copy the entire thing. Now go back to Claude AI and paste it in. Look right in the middle of that prompt. You'll see it says, paste your chosen topic here. That's exactly what you do. Take the topic you picked in the last step, paste it right there. Now hit generate. Here's where it gets interesting. Claude is going to ask you one question. How long do you want your video to be? 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes. You decide. Type your length, hit generate again, and just like that, your entire script is ready, word for word, written for you, based on the exact length you chose. No writing, no brainstorming, no staring at a blank page. Just a complete, ready-to-use slow English script in under a minute. But a script alone won't get you views. What comes next is what actually makes these videos look so good, and it's easier than you think. Okay, you've got your script, now let's turn it into visuals. Because this is what makes these videos look so professional and why viewers stay watching instead of clicking away. Go back to your Google Doc. This time open prompt number 3. Copy the whole thing. Paste it into Claude AI. Now here's the important part. Don't hit generate yet. Scroll to the very bottom of that prompt. You'll see a line that says, paste your script here. That's where your script goes. Copy the full script you generated in the last step and paste it right there. Now hit generate. Claude is going to read your entire script and start building storyboard image prompts, one for each scene of your video. Give it a moment, let it finish. See that? A complete set of image prompts, each one perfectly matched to your script, ready to use. Now we're going to take these prompts and generate the actual images for your video. And this next step, this is where your video starts looking like something that gets 300k views. It's called Akool. The link is in the description below. Go grab it, it's free to sign up. Once you're logged in, look at the panel on the right side of the screen. You'll see 3 options: image, video, audio. We're starting with image. Hover over the image option. A panel drops down. Click on Image Generate. Now here's the one setting that matters. Click on the Model option. You'll see a list of generation models. Choose GPT Image 2. This is the model that gives you that clean, cinematic, 3D animated look. exactly like the channels we showed you at the start. Now take your very first storyboard prompt from Claude, paste it in, set your aspect ratio, set your resolution, hit generate, wait a few seconds, and look at that. Your first scene, ready, professionally generated, perfectly matched to your script. Alright, first image is done, now let's get the rest. Go back to Claude AI. You'll remember Claude gave you the first 5 storyboard image prompts in the last step. Take prompt number 2, copy it, go to Akool. Same settings, GPT image 2, same aspect ratio, same resolution. Paste it in, hit generate. Repeat that for all 5 prompts, one by one. It goes faster than you think. Now here's a trick. Once those first 5 are done, go back to Claude and simply type one word, next. Claude will instantly generate the next batch of storyboard prompts. Copy them, paste them into Akool, generate, done. Keep repeating until every single scene of your video has a storyboard. Once they're all ready, download every image one by one. Because in the next step, we're going to bring all of these still images to life. We're turning them into actual video clips. And this is the step that makes viewers think you spent days editing, when really it takes minutes. This is the step that makes everything click. Those storyboard images you just downloaded, we're about to turn every single one into a cinematic 30-second video clip. And we're doing it with the most powerful model available right now, Seedance 2.5. But first, every image needs its own video prompt. That's what makes the motion look intentional, not random. Go back to your Google Doc, open prompt number 4, copy the whole thing, go to Claude AI, paste that prompt in. Now scroll down, you'll see it says insert your storyboard images prompt here. Paste your storyboard images prompt directly into that prompt box. Hit generate. Claude will give you a unique video motion prompt for every single image. Copy the first one. Now go back to Akool.com. At the top, click on Image Generate. From the drop-down, select Image to Video. Click the model option. Select Seedance 2.5. This is the model that gives you up to 30 full seconds of smooth, cinematic motion per clip. Now click Start Frame and upload your first storyboard image. Go back to Claude. Copy the video prompt for that image. Paste it into Akool. Set your duration to 30 seconds. Adjust any remaining settings. Hit generate, give it a moment, and just like that, your first video clip is ready. A fully animated, cinematic scene, generated from a single image and a single prompt. The first clip is done, now let's knock out the rest, fast. Go back to Akool, click Start Frame, upload your second storyboard image. Go back to Claude, copy the video prompt for that image, paste it into Akool, 30 seconds duration, hit generate. Repeat that for every single storyboard image you have, same steps every time. Upload image, paste prompt. 30 seconds, generate. It sounds like a lot, but once you get into the rhythm, you'll have all your clips ready in minutes. And now, every scene of your video exists as a real animated video clip. But right now, they're just separate files sitting on your screen. In the next step, we pull them all together and turn them into one complete upload-ready video. This is the last step, and it's easier than anything we've done so far. Now here's something most people don't know. You don't need CapCut. You don't need Premiere. You don't need any separate editing software at all. Because Akool can edit your video too, right inside the same tool. Go back to the main Akool interface, hover over the video option. At the very bottom of that dropdown, click AI Video Edit. The editing interface opens up. Clean, simple, no overwhelm. Click Upload File, and upload every single video clip you generated with Seedance 2.5. Now drag them into the timeline one by one, in the order your script follows. Once they're all in order, hit play. Watch it through once. Make sure everything flows. Happy with it? Click Export, then click Download. And just like that, your complete slow English video is sitting on your device, ready to upload. One niche, one AI tool, one Google Doc, and a finished video that looks like this. Now, before I show you the final result, I promised you something at the very start of this video. The one thing that separates channels hitting 300K views from channels stuck at 0. Stay right there, because this is the part most people skip, and it takes less than 2 minutes. Okay. Here it is. The one thing that actually gets you views. Your title and your thumbnail. That's it. That's the whole secret. Look at every channel we showed you. DG Slow English, Talk Easy English, Daily Say English. Every single one has the same thing. Bold text, emotional face. A title that makes you feel like you'll miss something if you don't click. Use this title formula. Plaik, Slow English, Plaik, Ban. Like this. Mom Left Home Forever. Slow English Story A2. For your thumbnail, take your most dramatic storyboard image. Add 4 bold words. Done. That's what got a brand new channel 300K views in 3 days. Not the editing, not the visuals, just this. You now have every tool, every prompt, every step. Go make your first video, right now.
Sarah has a new job today. It is her first day. She is very nervous. She looks at the big building. She takes a slow breath. Okay, Sarah, you can do this. Just walk in, smile, be normal. Sarah walks into the office. The lobby is quiet. Nobody is there yet. Sarah looks around. The office is very quiet. Nobody is here. Hello? Is anyone here? Sarah walks slowly to a big room. She looks inside. She sees a long table with many chairs. At the end, there is one very big chair. It is a very big, very comfortable chair. It looks so nice. Oh, this chair looks so nice. Just for 1 second? Sarah sits down. She puts her coffee on the table. Wow, this is the most comfortable chair I ever sat in. Then, people come in. Many people. They all sit down. They all look at Sarah. They wait. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Sarah looks at the people. She looks at the door. The door is very far away.
Good morning.